In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use anchor links in Hostinger Website Builder. Anchor links let visitors jump straight to a specific part of a page, like a contact form or pricing table, without scrolling. They're perfect for long pages and navigation menus. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. First, open Hostinger Website Builder and head to the exact page that contains the section you want people to land on. It's important to be on the right page before you set the link so you can see and test it in context. Next, click the section you want visitors to jump to and open that section's settings. You'll see different tabs for that section's options. Find and open the anchor tab. This is where you create the destination for your jump link. Enter an anchor name that starts with the pound sign, like hashtag contact form. Keep it simple and descriptive, and avoid spaces or special characters. Short, lowercase words separated by hyphens are easy to read and remember. When you're done, click outside the settings box so the anchor is saved. If you don't click away, it might not stick and the link won't work later. Now choose what should link to that section. This could be text in a paragraph, a button, an image, or even a menu item. Select or edit that element, then set the link. If there's an option to choose a link type, pick section. If your interface allows you to paste a link directly, paste the anchor link exactly as you created it, starting with the postage symbol. For example, if your anchor is contact form, paste that as the link target. Double check for typos because even a small mistake will break the jump. When the link is set, update or publish your website so the changes go live. Then test the link, click it, and make sure the page scrolls to the correct section. If it doesn't land where you expect, revisit the anchor in the section settings and confirm the name matches exactly. Also, note that anchors are not supported for blog, slideshow, and store sections in Hostinger. If you try to anchor those, the link won't work, so choose a regular page section instead. That's it. You've created a smooth jump link that improves navigation and helps visitors find what they need faster. Save your work, keep your anchor names clear, and test each link after publishing for the best results.